Hey guys, welcome to my Cravings channel where taste buds trigger. I'm your Pragna JH and what are we going to do today? A very simple, quick and all age lovable dish. It's 2 minutes eggless mug cake, so here we go. So first of all, we shall grease the mug completely. For the first step, add 3 tablespoons of maida. The next one. And last one. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We'll add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. The next spoon. Now add 3 spoons of ghee or vegetable oil. 3 tablespoons of milk. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix the whole mixture with a fork. This breaks all the lumps. See how beautiful the batter looks? It must be this smooth and this must be the consistency. You can add some more milk if you need, but I think this is perfect. So let's add some roasted or dry almonds. You can even add choco chips if you want. Let's give it a good stir. Okay, now this goes into the microwave. So finally it's done. You can see how beautiful it's baked. You can even add some chocolate ganache on the top and you can enjoy. Have a look.